Now, still on the climate, 9 months after Hurricane Melissa ravaged sections of St. James, the government says it has found a solution to the flooding problems in communities like West Green and Catherine Hall. Works Minister Robert Morgan said the flood mitigation program will be implemented under NARRA and will go beyond drain expansion. Residents in sections of Catherine Hall and West Green in St. James had to struggle through over 10 feet of water in the immediate aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. When the water receded, many homes were almost buried under mud. 9 months later, the government says a survey has showed the extent of the flooding problem in the parish.
The results were a bit astounding. The drains in Catherine Hall and West Green were not built for storms. They were built for rain. So the drains were very small, 6-inch drains underground. When all the debris came with Melissa, within half an hour, those drains were no longer of any use. Not only that, you had no protection for the community for the water coming in from the sea.
And so, in thinking about the solution, Works Minister Robert Morgan said it's not just about building better drains.
Because when you build bigger drains, the water may still come. How are you going to prevent the mud from accumulating in persons' homes? So we have done a drainage study. We're going to be implementing it under NARRA to provide a long-term solution for the flooding that is potential in West Green and Catherine Hall.
He also responded to concerns about local contractors being sidelined in rebuilding efforts in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. In rejecting those claims, he pointed to the Spark program.
While the main contractor is China Harbour, over 26 local contractors and suppliers are part of the Spark program. This is a deliberate government policy. While our local contractors may not have the enterprise level financial capabilities to build out, let's say, the perimeter road, at the end of the day, you cannot build a society by importing all the expertise from overseas.
The comments were made at the Recovery and Rebuild Expo in the parish on Saturday.